Alfredo and I are in the Philippines at the moment. We have been in quarantine for the past 3 months. It's been a long time since we got the chance to be still in one place, and it feels really, really nice.
For this exhibition, we chose specific works that was created in different locations.
The work Flight was done almost a decade ago. We worked with a fishing village in one of the islands in the Philippines, where the problem is the tide brings in tons of rubbish every day. We decided to collect several specific objects, and one of them are the rubber slippers. We created an installation of an image of a school of fish traversing back to the sea. By using the rubber sandals, we then perched each one on top of a bamboo post, all facing the water, as if hundreds of them, though seemingly floating, are wading back to their usual habitat. The airplane wing, which is made entirely of cardboard. This piece was created in Mackay, Queensland through a community workshop that examines the idea of migration generated by the sugar industry in central Queensland. Each and every material was carefully collected and amassed from the numerous community projects that we have conducted in different parts of the world that we have transported to Mackay during our residency. The metal crown, titled Commonwealth, was shown in the Blacktown Arts Centre, examining the iconic speeches of Go Whitlam. It is an interactive sculpture made entirely of metal taken from oil cans. The audience are invited to wear the crown on their head that compels them to take a selfie in front of the mirror with the hashtag Everybody Wants a Crown. The boat was created in Auckland, New Zealand, and it consists of 3 inverted boats suspended 3 floors up from the ceiling. The work was created partly through a series of workshops with children and their families and the migrant community, and give them the question, what is their idea of home? It was a moving experience for us to see how everyone took part and stayed for hours. Each component of the work was done and created by an individual, bringing with them their narratives. Through the work, the story of the place and its memory forges an imagined community.